In 2017, this app had more downloads than Amazon, eBay, and even Netflix. But today, it's the punchline of a meme. What happened to Wish? Our story begins in Mountain View, California. Inside Google, among the sea of software engineers, was a quiet but brilliant mind. Piotr Szulczewski, a Polish immigrant, a math prodigy, and someone who didn't quite fit the mold. He wasn't dreaming of building the next social app or photo filter. He had a bigger vision. What if an app could predict what you wanted to buy before you even knew? Cut to early sketches of Wish UI, flowing algorithms, eerie digital predictions. Wish wasn't born in a garage. It was born in the mind of someone obsessed with data. Piotr believed if you knew how to track people's behavior just right, you could guess what they'd want and then show them products that felt like magic. By 2013, Wish was live. And it wasn't selling luxury. It was selling weird, cheap, impossible things. A unicorn onesie for $1, a drone for $5, shoes that looked like they were printed in space. The ads were everywhere. Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. Scroll once and you'd be trapped for hours. It was like QVC met a Black Mirror episode, and people couldn't look away. By 2017, Wish had more users than Amazon in some countries. It hit a $14 billion valuation. Szulczewski even turned down offers from Amazon and Alibaba. That's right, he walked away from billions because he believed he had the future of e-commerce in his hands. But behind the app's explosive growth, something was breaking. Orders arrived weeks late, if at all. Products looked nothing like the ads. Customer support? Non-existent. But the real problem was deeper. Wish wasn't making money, not even close. They were losing money on every sale, flooding social media with ads, burning through cash like wildfire, just to keep users coming. Predictive technology had turned into predictive spending. For every dollar made, another was lost. In 2020, Wish went public. Wall Street didn't buy the hype. The stock plunged. Investors were furious. Employees started jumping ship. IOTR had built a monster, but now it was devouring him. In 2021, he quietly stepped down as CEO. By 2023, Wish was sold for a fraction of its peak value. The platform once destined to rival Amazon was now barely hanging on. What happened to Wish shows the danger of manipulative algorithms. They shape what we buy, and just like ads, they shape the news we read.